Tiny's Demolition out of Nashville has done all the interior demo and abatement work. PDI and Green City's going to be taking over from there to do all the structural wrecking. Right now, we're starting in the penthouse on the 19th floor. Got to get those shored up to do rooftop work, get it down to a uniform level on 19. After that, it'll be more consistent of being 2 floors short at a time to support the weight of the excavators. We're going to be flying up here. And then as we start to wreck and get the floor space cleared out, we'll have to start rotating some of the shoring down to one more floor below. So we always have 2 floors supported fully at all times. We'll have to be continuing that process all the way down until we hit the parking garage. And then once we get to the parking garage, we'll fly the excavators back out, switch over to the SK1000, and go back to high reach work on top of the garage.
The shoring guys are going to be here. They're going to keep moving material up to the 18th floor and setting up the shoring.
So right now we're up on the roof level, which is about the 20th floor of this building. We've basically hoisted up a S70 skid steer. We're starting to gather up all the loose steel, the aluminum flashing off the side of the penthouse, and we're loading that into the skip bin, which will then get craned down to the ground level and dumped. The next step is going to be stripping off the roofing. So it's got a tar and insulation roof, so the S70 is scraping that up. Right now we're just stockpiling it until the crane can return our skip bin for us. And then we'll be loading that garbage into the skip bin and hoisting it down as well. This is all in preparation to start the demolition of the penthouse and the roof level of the structure.
Up on the roof, we left this phase to put the outrigger system that's going to be the second layer of protection for demo work on the high rise. There's going to be a total of 14 of them across the parking garage.
So the steel plate goes on it for the protection on the outside of the roadway. So if any material comes, it'll just fall into the building instead of falling out into the roadway. So we got to cut these legs off so they fit perfectly on the angle so you can get a better welds. And then we built these stoppers here so when we do put it on, it won't slide on us just for our safety. There's a little bit of work that we got to cut and grind them down, smooth it out to make it a lot easier for us to weld and stuff like that.